Hello creative minds, hi, I'm Abiodun here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are starting with something super exciting, an introduction to Pixellab. If you are a beginner wanting to create amazing flyers right from your smartphone, so this video is for you. I will be guiding you through Pixellab tools and features, so by the end you will feel confident to start creating your own designs using just your smartphone. Let's get started. So first thing first, if you haven't downloaded Pixellab, you can find it on the Play Store. It is free to download and very easy to set up. So once it is downloaded, just open it up and you will see the Pixellab interface, which we will walk through step by step. Okay, so this is the app I'm talking about, Pixellab. So I'm going to click on the app. So this is what you are going to see. Just click on cancel. Alright, when you open the app, this is the first thing you are going to see. So I'll start with this. So come down, you're going to see A. This A is where you can edit text. This new text is highlighted. So if I click on the screen, you are not going to see anything at the down part. So if I tap on the text, you're going to see all these features. Can you see now? So if I want to edit it, I'll just click on edit and I'll change the text. So I'm going to write my name. Hi, click on OK. Alright, if I want to delete, I can click on delete. If I want to copy. Maybe the text is in the front and you want to bring it to the front, then you can click onto front to back. You want to position the text very well, so this is where you can do it. Relative position, you want to position it to the center, to the middle, to the left side, right side, up or down. Alright, so if you want to increase the size, this is how you can do it. Can you see now? Padding. So let me show you the function of padding. So assuming the text, okay, look at the text now. You can see the A is not showing. If you want to make it to show, just come to padding, then you are going to increase it. So look at the E side. Can you see it's not showing? Then I'm going to increase. So if you have any encounter with that, this is what you are going to do to make the letter to show. So click on mark, color. You can change the color of the text. Alright, so let me show you one thing. Gradient is just the mixture of two or more colors, so you can do that. So when you start designing, you are going to see different ways of changing color or using the gradient tool. Alright, let's continue. Texture, you can also change the text color to any image from the background. So that's what you can use texture for. Opacity is also transparency. You can reduce the opacity or increase it. So let us continue. Rotate, you can rotate the text. You can mask, you can cut out some parts. When you enable, this is what you are going to see. Out, in. So I'm going to disable. So font. So look at this font. When you open this app, these are the font that you are going to see. So look at my font at the top. If I click on it, when you open yours, you are not going to see anything here. You are not going to see anything. But later, I'm going to show you how you can install fonts into your Pixellab. So I'm going to do that in the coming video. So bold, this is where you can bold the text. Style. This is where you can bold the text. You can make it be in italics or underline the text. So, alright, what else again? Curve, this is where you can curve your text. Curve also means bending. You can bend it, you can change degree of the bending. So what else? Align. You can align your text to the middle, to the left hand side, or to the right hand side. This is very useful when you have maybe 2 lines. So alright, so let me show you what I'm saying. Assuming I write something like this, let me use that. Okay, so let me show you what this align can do. So if I click this side, it's going to change the position to the left hand side. If I click on the middle, it's going to change the alignments to the center, and here to the right hand side. Okay, so spacing, you can increase the space. Increase the space of the text. Line spacing, can you see? So these are the things you can do with your text. So this is stroke. You can increase the width. Can you see now? You can change the color of the stroke. Shadow. Can you see the black shadow at the back? So this is what you can do with shadow. Inner shadow. Can you see? You can increase the blur radius. You can also reduce. Emboss. You can also add emboss. Can you see now? You can increase the intensity, the ambient light, the specular hardness. Perspective. You can also change the perspective of the text. So you can change the perspective of the text. Can you see now? Can you see what I'm saying here? Alright, so 3D rotate. Can rotate the text in 3D format. So 3D text. Can you see now? Shadow, you can also add shadow. Reflection. So that's why about text, about that hair icon that you are seeing. Now let us move to another aspect. I don't want this video to be long, so I will make everything brief, and I believe you are understanding what I'm teaching you in this lesson. So alright, we are moving to the next icon. This is the import icon. This is where you can import anything that is in your gallery into this design space. So when you click on import, it's going to take you to your gallery. Then you bring in any picture of your choice. So draw, sticker. You're going to see different sticker here. So draw, you can change the pen size, and can you see what I'm doing here? Alright, let us move to another thing. So this drawing is highlighted. Then you're going to see what you can do to it. You can copy to front, but if I tap on the screen, or if I locked it and tap on the screen, you're going to see all this thing again. So you've talked about draw, shapes. You can bring in shapes. You can click on this and you're going to see different shapes. Alright, so I'll delete this. I'll also delete the drawing as well. So Bezier. This Bezier is commonly used to create curves in flyer design. It's commonly used to create curves. So later we are going to talk about how you can use this Bezier too. Alright, let us continue. I'm going to delete. So arrow, can you see different arrow here? Can change the edge. So this is what you can do with arrow. So if anything you click this highlighted, you are going to see different things you can do to it. You can change the color, can erase, mask, erase color, and the likes. You can change the perspective and many more. But if it is not highlighted, we are going to see this draw shapes, Bezier arrow stickers. Alright, let us move to another one. So this is the background icon. So you can change the color of the background to any one of your choice. Can you see now? So transparent, you can change it to transparent. This way you can change your image size. You click on this, you are going to this square, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook ads, and many more. So image, this is going to take you to your gallery when you click on image. Okay, sorry. When you click on image, you are going to see different images that are here. Alright, when you click on from gallery, it's going to take you to your gallery. Then you can choose any background that you want. Are you getting it? Alright, so the next one, from camera, you can also snap anything of your choice and use it for your background. So let us talk about these two. This is where you can edit this icon. When you click on it, this is where you can edit your background. So you can click on vignette. Can you see what it's doing here? Noise. Can you see strips? Brightness. You can increase, you can also reduce contrast. So saturation. So that's what you can do with that. So we've talked about the hair icon, the import icon, and the background icon. Now let us move up. This is plus icon. When you click on it, you can see text, current date, sticker, shapes from gallery, draw. So alright, let's look at this. This is where you can undo mistakes. So this is where you can undo any mistake that you made. Alright, this is where you can zoom the screen. Can you see zoom? Can you see? You can zoom in, you can zoom out. So this is grid lines. So you can turn on the magnets. Then maybe you draw any shape. So you feel the vibration anytime you move in the shape. When you turn on the, so remember to tap on the zoom icon so that anything you are doing won't cease from acting towards what you want to do with it. Can you see now? When you click on magnet, this is where you feel the vibration. When you move anything towards the line, you're going to feel the vibration. So this is the layer icon, the last one. This is the layer icon. This is where you can see everything that is in your design space. So you can lock. If you don't want it to move, you can lock. You can also hide it. Can you see? Alright. So let us move up again. This is where you can save your work. You can save it as project. So when you save as project, you can come back at any time to complete your project. Maybe you are not done with it and you have other things to do. So you can come to save as project and you can save it so that anytime you come back, you are going to see the design. To save as image, it's going to save to your gallery. So I want to show you one thing here. If you are saving, make sure, just click on this, make sure you are saving as ultra. So that's the highest quality. Save as ultra. Alright. So this is the share icon. Share. So this is the quote icon. Can you see? And these three dots that you're seeing at the top, you're going to see different things here: export, image size, tutorial, and more. So that's all. You can also explore, check out everything here. You can also explore and look at all the things that you can also do with the app. Alright, this is where I'm going to stop for today. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any design tips. Goodbye.